Hey guys, so I'm super excited because yesterday for us was like Christmas time. So as some of you know, we live overseas, so a lot of the items or the things that we need to buy, we end up getting them online. And that's because either we can't find the product, the English version around, or it ends up just being more convenient, especially now with all the COVID restrictions and whatnot. Sometimes it's just more convenient to buy things online. Well, one of the things that I ended up buying was actually the GoPro Hero 9 Media Mod. And I'm actually using the GoPro right now, and it has a pretty good mic system. It records very well, but there's certain things, like for example, a car just passed by, so you might have heard that, and it really doesn't, or it picks up all the surrounding noise instead of just a directional mic. Well, one of the things that this has, it actually has a built-in directional mic with wind suppression. There's a 3.5 millimeter mic port. So if I want to connect a mic or have a wireless connection, I can do that as well. It has an HDMI out, two cold shoe mounts, and it's actually weather resistant as well. It is not waterproof though. So let's take a look. I'll go ahead and open this up, see what we think. All right, so taking it out of the box, first thing I noticed, we have here the lifetime or the limited lifetime warranty. So it comes with that. The Media Mod user guide. And like I said, it is in English. It looks like it has other languages. It shows you how to mount it. It has pictures. Pictures are always good. It's also in Spanish. Let's see. Looks like it has Greek as well. So it does come in multiple languages. All right. So this is the setup. This is how it comes straight out of the box. You have one of the thumb screws. Let's see. Another GoPro mount. So I really like these a lot because once you clip them in, like let's say the handlebar, you lift this and then the rubber attaches back, which gives it a more tight hold versus it just wobbling around. So I actually do like these. Let's see. Now the actual Media Mod. It's actually built pretty sturdy. I wasn't sure if it was going to be like a silicone silicone type of material or what kind it was, but it's more of a plastic like material. It's just a little bit bigger than the GoPro. Here's one of those shoe mounts I was talking about earlier. Here's another one. This is the built-in mic. This is the one for the front, and then there's another one right in the back. You still have access to your buttons. So here's the top for recording, the side to choose your mode, and then something else that they've included when I was telling you about the 3.5 millimeter mic adapters, it actually comes, it's covered. So I open those up and there you go. Those are the three ports right there. So you have USB-C as well. It looks like the other one's like a little yeah, that's the other one, the HDMI. And then that's the 3.5 millimeter mic port. And here inside, I'm not sure if you can see right there in the corner, that's where it will actually connect into your GoPro for it to be functional. So I will go ahead and I will put this on now. Oh, and sorry, here we go. Here's what we'll cover for the wind suppression. So this will actually go over. Let's see if I can figure this one out without looking at the guide. And it'll go over just like that. And it's just foamy. And one thing that I actually noticed right now that I do like is that there's a plastic inside which helps it keep its shape, and you actually feel the click once it is in place. So I think that's actually pretty neat. Another thing that I noticed here is we have just like in the GoPro, that it has a latch to open up on the side. So this is how you open up the media mod. I use my nails basically. I just pull a little bit down on the latch, and that's how it opens. So it'll come in through the side, connects to the USB-C there, and that's how it'll work. All right, let's try this and see how we like it. Okay, so I just finished putting the media mod. One of the things that I immediately learned is to be able to put it, you have to remove the door that the GoPro comes with and turn off the GoPro before you try connecting it, because I ended up putting it in, the screen went blank. Once I turned it back on, I don't know if it was a glitch and I was trying to process that now the media mod was connected, but when I pressed record, then the screen was blank. So I ended up having to turn off the GoPro again and turn it back on so it would cycle through. So learn something real quick on that. And then we'll go ahead and we'll see if this has improved the audio or not. All right, so one thing I do like and one thing I don't like. What I do like is that in the back of the camera, you can actually see an audio bar. So that way you know if sound is actually coming through or not. So that is a good feature that they've included in this. One thing I don't like is that now for a second time, the screen, after I paused it and tried to record again, the screen was just black. I saw the recording button was working, but I couldn't actually see anything. So I'm not sure if it's a glitch or I'm just not doing something properly. So I will look into that and let you guys know. And I'm back. So I just replayed what I had already recorded, and the audio, it seems like it is much, much better with the media mod. Let me know if you guys agree or not. And the issue with the screen going black, when I tried to replay it, it does say unable to view and doesn't let me do anything. So if by any chance you do have the media mod and you see that the screen is just black, don't think it's recording, because you won't be able to play it back. Just either turn it off, refresh, open it up again or try again, but don't try recording if you see that the screen is black, because you will not be able to play anything back. You can't even hear audio or anything like that at that point. So just a quick tip. Hey, what are you guys doing?
Enjoying the summer wind. And I'm napping. Don't wake me up. Have a go.
So I haven't done this part before, and Dallas just heard me practicing and started making fun of me. But either way, since we are trying to do this YouTube channel and want it to grow, if you do like it or you want to help us out, make sure you hit like and you subscribe to the channel, and you can hit the little bell and it will alert you whenever I post new videos.